My name is Eric Valdez, and my wife Kim and I are the owners of the Valdez Group, and we're proud partners of Equis Financial and Integrity Marketing Group. I'm going to spend a few minutes today giving you some insight into what you're applying for and what just might be the best perfect business opportunity for you. I know for Kim and I, it absolutely was. This is also the first step in our process and a chance for you to receive valuable information so that you can make a decision as to whether or not this is a good fit for you. So that you know who you might be working with, Kim and I have 5 wonderful children, ages 18 to 35, and 5 beautiful grandchildren. Like most people, we came from corporate America. Together, we have over 40 years in sales and sales management. Over the past few decades, we have built many successful sales organizations. We've been in financial services now since 2015, and with Equis from the beginning, 2016. So who is Equis Financial? Equis Financial was started in January 2016 by 3 gentlemen with almost a century of combined experience in the financial industry: Barry Clarkson, Rob Jones, and Bill Martin. They have built in the Equis platform features and benefits they wished they would have had way back when they first started their careers. This is why we're called the Agents Company. Because of our success over the last 4.5 years, we've attracted some welcomed attention in the industry. So much so that here recently we've joined forces and created a powerful partnership with Integrity Marketing Group. They are the nation's leading independent distributor of life and health insurance products focused on serving all markets, including seniors. They are coast to coast with 250,000 agents. Their overall revenue exceeds $2.2 billion. Let's talk about the industry that we work in. We work in the largest industry in the country. In fact, it's the only trillion-dollar industry in America today. Here are the facts. 40% of America is completely unprotected. 12,000 people a day are turning 50, 10,000 people a day are turning 65, and this will go on for the next 20 years. You know, it's been said that this is a recession-proof industry. You'll never be laid off and you'll never run out of people to talk to. This industry has weathered every unfortunate storm from mortgage crises to global pandemics. It has always been a thriving industry. We serve the single most underserved market in the country today, and that's middle-income America. One of the main ways we serve is by showing them that in case of death or disability, how to protect, in most cases, their largest asset. It's their home. See, in America today, there are over 2,500 families every day that foreclose upon their homes. That's approximately 50,000 families a month. And again, here are more facts. 50% of all mortgage foreclosures are a direct result of financial hardship due to a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. Only 3% are due to death. The old kind of protection is just those death policies that our parents had, and if someone dies, someone gets a check, right? Well, now that's completely changed. The new kind of life insurance has what's called living benefits, and people just don't know that it's available. What it does, it creates a streamline of income that allows you to access the death benefit of your policy while you're still living. So when those catastrophic events happen, like heart attack, cancer, or stroke, or one of 13 different other types of illnesses, you can access a portion of that death benefit to pay things like mortgage payments, medical bills, car payments, keep food on the table. You know, there are hundreds of insurance companies out there, but only a select few that have these living benefits that we're talking about. And so we've partnered with and have long-lasting relationship with these A-rated companies. We've handpicked the best ones for us to go out and protect our families. Now let's get into our platform and how it puts you in a position of strength to win at a very high level quickly. Let's talk about how we get in front of people, and then we're going to go in to talk about how we get paid. We know the first step in becoming a successful agent is to be able to put qualified prospects in front of qualified agents. Every time someone purchases or refinances a home, a mortgage is created, and that information is public knowledge, and it's in every county courthouse in America. You know, for decades, Barry Clarkson has helped thousands upon thousands of agents get in front of people every day. See, we purchase that data and then we create a letter that explains the opportunity to get some more information. If they're interested, They'll fill out the form with their date of birth, height, weight, smoking status, the best phone number to contact them, and then they mail the form back to us. Then you and I go out to their homes and show them about protecting their mortgage and their family with living benefits. It's thousands of leads a week, and here are what those leads look like. So there's no cold calling. It's all warm market phone calls. You're only talking to people and setting appointments with people that actually want to talk to you. So let's talk about how we're compensated. There are two paths here at Equis. Here is the first. It's the producer. The insurance carriers pay us to distribute their products, and they pay us an incredible amount of money to do this. Here's how this works. The average client pays about $80 to $90 a month for this kind of insurance. That's about $1,000 a year in annualized premium for that policy. Our contracts start at 70% and go up in increments of 5%. And by the way, nobody can hold you back here. Those 5% increments are 100% up to you. Every few months, you can go up to 80, 90, 100%, all the way to 120%. So let's say you protect a family with a policy of $1,000 of annualized premium. At a 70-point contract, that's about $700 in commission. The insurance company is going to take 3/4 of that $700 and deposit it straight into your account. It's about $525. Then the remaining 25% is put into an escrow account and held till the end of the year, and then the insurance company will release it to you at that point. Most policies are approved right there in the house in just a few minutes electronically, or at the carriers within just a few days. The carriers put you on daily pay so that you don't have to wait until Friday to be paid. The minute the policy is approved and issued, you are paid within 24 to 48 hours. And by the way, you're paid directly from the carrier to your bank account, not from Equis. About 30% of the policies will have what's called renewals. It's anywhere from 2 to 5%, and that means another $30 to $40 at the same time next year goes into your bank account. So just as the ad read, if you go out and write 1 to 2 applications a week, you can make an extra $500 to $1,000 a week. If you're part-time, you can realistically make $30,000 to $50,000 annually. If you're looking to transition into a new career and run 15 to 18 appointments a week and protect 4 to 7 families a week, this is absolutely an $80,000 to $100,000 a year job and more. See, when I ran full-time, I dialed on a Saturday morning from about 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and scheduled anywhere from 18 to 20 appointments for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I wrote over 200 policies my first full year in this industry. You can do the math. I also want to note that Equis has great bonus systems. Agents can start earning hundreds of dollars of cash bonuses every single month. Managers can receive thousands of dollars in bonuses every single month. And top managers who can distribute a lot of product to these insurance carriers can receive tens of thousands of dollars every single month. Let's talk about training. No one from the outside trains you. The way it works here is that we train you. Myself and our managers work with you directly. See, part of the Equis platform is that we've put together a step-by-step process so that all you have to do is plug in, be coachable, and follow a system that works. Every one of our managers and trainers have started just like you. They're currently in the top 10% of the company and are highly respected for what they do day in and day out. And how this benefits you is we all remember what it was like to be new, just starting out, meeting with clients, and feeling a little overwhelmed. So after you initially are trained in the field, the Valdez Group has our own agent concierge line, if you will, a process that allows you to connect with any one of us managers to help you in the home with your clients to assess the situation and help you put that family into the right product that best fits their situation. You are never completely on your own. We know how important it is to feel supported, feel like you know what you're doing, get up and running quickly, and get paid quickly. We have weekly sales calls, training calls, webinars, and podcasts. We have weekly live dial sessions with our team so that you can learn the art of booking appointments just like the seasoned agents. We have monthly sales trainings within driving distance to keep you sharp and help you become better at everything you do. We specialize in creating an environment that promotes growth. Now, because you're going out there and meeting with people face to face, looking at prescription bottles and having access to social security numbers and bank accounts, and because this is a form of life insurance, you actually have to have a license to do this. We work in the most regulated industry in this country. You can't just sign up to work here. You have to be a U.S. citizen. You can't have any major or active felony convictions. Otherwise, they will not let you have a license in your state. Every state requires a pre-licensing course, a background check, and a state test. And you'll have to pass with about a 70% before they'll allow you to protect a family. So if we feel that you are a good fit for us and invite you to join our team, we will help you get that license. With our national discount with one of the best testing companies in the country, the exam's about $50, a background check is about the same, and the state test is going to cost you between $50 and $75. So for around $200, you can become a licensed agent in your state. Now, most people want to get started pretty quickly, so their goal is to get their license in about 2 weeks. Once you're licensed, we can start your training. You know, one of the ways the Valdez Group is unique is we have created our own profit sharing program where we incent our agents every single month and they receive bonuses in the form of lead credit. So here's what we know. If you're an agent in the industry and you don't have anybody to talk to and you're not making money, you're broke. These lead credit bonuses contribute to your ability to grow your business, get started quicker, run more appointments, and protect more families. We help you achieve your goals faster. See, when you get into the lead system, you'll have access to leads that are 50 cents, $2, $6, and up. These people are looking for protection. So in the beginning, Kim and I and our managers will start you with lead credits from our accounts. We do that so that you can go out and write a couple of applications on your own to prove to yourself that you can do this, and then you'll strategize with your manager moving forward. In 2017, Kim and I paid out over $40,000 to our agents in lead bonuses. In 2018, we paid over $60,000. And in 2019, we distributed over $100,000 of lead credit bonuses, and it keeps growing because our team keeps growing. Leads are an investment in your business. They're essential to not only your initial, but your continued success. Now, there's another option. It's the second path, and we have here at Equis Financial. It's not for everyone, but it's available to everyone. It usually involves people with a little bit of management experience, somebody that's had a supervisory role, and somebody who wants to own their own company, be their own boss, and call their own shots. When you develop the skill set of being able to bring agents on, get them trained, and get them moving, the insurance companies recognize this. They feel it's a skill set worth compensating. They know the time and effort it takes to coach an agent, and they pay handsomely for it. So every time you hire an agent and help them get trained, for every policy that they write, they pay you an override commission, a bonus, if you will, over and above what the agent received. Average override bonuses are anywhere from $80 to $150 per policy. So for example, if you have 5 agents that you've brought on and trained, and they each are writing about 3 applications a week, that's 15 policies a week, 60 policies a month. You guys can do the math. What you've created now is a business-driven income, your own company that distributes insurance products to middle-income America. Kim and I now have been doing this for just over 5 years. We went out, got a license, were trained just like you, and did everything we just talked about. In 2016, our first year, we wrote and protected over 200 families and made just over $175,000 working 14 to 16 days a month in the field with just a few writing agents. In 2017, we became very serious about our agency and our income increased to over $257,000, and that was both personal production plus overrides from the insurance carriers. Since then, we've more than doubled our income and our agency just keeps growing. We share this with you for one reason only. Once you get a license just like we did, you will have the same opportunity that we were given. One thing you can expect here with Kim and I and with Equis is the truth. complete transparency about everything. So I think this needs to be said. By now, I hope you feel our passion for not only what we do for the consumer, but for what we've been able to accomplish for our team and for our families. I don't think you and I are all that different. Corporate America has eaten us up a little bit. We are overworked, we are underpaid, and quite frankly, being held back and not growing. Not anymore. More facts. Over 40% of America has a part-time job, a side hustle, if you will. Nationally, an average part-time job only yields about $400 a month and takes an average of 80 hours a month away from your family. See, this business collapses a time frame. It allows you and I to go out, get our time back, our freedom back, and we determine what we're worth. I hope that makes sense. I'm a believer that other than health issues, there is nothing more debilitating in this life than debt. When you get a license and start writing a few applications a week, I can't even begin to tell you how quickly you can start paying off your bills, how quickly you can start becoming financially free. And I'm not talking about getting rich. I'm talking about becoming financially free from the weight of debt, paying off credit cards, putting away for your children's college, maybe your own retirement. What does that look like for you and your family? Kim and I can tell you that it's great, and we can show you how to do it too. So let's wrap this up by covering with you what we're looking for and what it takes to be successful here. What we're looking for are people that are genuinely kind, that care about people, and that have a positive mindset. People that will put their clients' needs first and that are coachable, willing to go through a learning curve of something you've probably never gone through before. And of course, we want you to have fun doing it. People that come here that trust and believe, stay humble and stay hungry, and change the way they think, they will absolutely change the way they live. Now, this is our company. We are pretty picky about who we invite to partner with and bring into our agency's family. We're looking for people that are serious and that want to get started quickly. If you're this person, or you have the willingness to be this person, then you just might find a home here. If you can see yourself here at the Valdez Group and at Equis Financial, we want to hear from you. If you received this video from myself or Kim, please text one of us at the numbers that you see at the bottom of the screen. And please text us the following: your first and last name, the city and state that you applied to, your time zone, and the phrase, "I'm ready." Once you've done that, we will connect with you quickly and set a time to chat one-on-one and find out a little bit more about you, what you're looking for, and why you're looking for it, and see about getting you started. On behalf of all of us here at the Valdez Group, we thank you for taking a few minutes to get to know us a little bit better and understand what it is we're doing here in protecting and serving middle-income America. We believe wholeheartedly that this is the best part-time, full-time, and business opportunity that's available in this country today. We look forward to speaking with you soon.